And the Kenyan financial services sector has been a battlefield, pitting a suspicious borrower on one side and an even more suspicious lender on the other. In between is an information gap that has worked to the detriment of both parties by perpetuating the vicious cycle. But now the Association of Kenya Credit Providers has unveiled a plan to increase credit information sharing and consumption that will increase access to affordable credit and increase credit uptake in the country. Adelaide Changole with the details.
The government has been on a mission to reduce lending rates and increase uptake of credit to spur greater economic development in the country. However, this mission has been facing serious headwinds.
For the entire 22 or so million adults, approximately 6 million who are currently accessing some credit facility.
The problem has been an absence of information that can be used by lenders and borrowers alike to make decisions. As a result, lenders assume borrowers are high risk, loading credit with high premiums, while borrowers assume that lenders are out to fleece them and shy away from the formal financial sector.
The 40% credit that is provided, the borrowers are very few. It's about 6 million, isn't it? So essentially, we are overloading those people so they cannot prosper.
But now the government is partnering up with the private sector to roll out an initiative that will deal with this dilemma. The Association of Kenya Credit Providers seeks to provide a platform for lenders from different sectors to exchange information on a borrower's credit history, cleaning out old records.
And so the whole essence of our association is to make interaction between lenders and borrowers much easier.
By getting information from such varied sources, the credit reference bureaus can draw up a more accurate credit score for each individual borrower and thereby differentiate bad borrowers from good ones.
It is a mechanism that will judge everyone and make sure that we bring down or we assess your risk profile objectively.
The credit history will give both the market and the regulator an insight into how banks price loans. Banks are expected to use the annual percentage rate formula, which is based on the Kenya Bank's referencing rate. Currently, the association has 55 lenders in their membership, among them the country's 43 banks, 9 microfinance banks, the Higher Education Loans Board, Agricultural Finance Corporation and IDB Capital. But it wants to increase this to 748 lenders by the end of 2019. Adelaide Changole, KTN Business.